I'm going to deliver a speech on if I were the Prime Minister of India. Since becoming the Prime Minister, my first job will be to select the best ministers for my cabinet. I would also ensure that young men who are technically sound can also find a position in the cabinet so that their experience is used to develop the country. So I would then see that all the major mills are nationalized and so that the benefit gained by the hard work of the workers does not go to the capitalists alone. Employees have to get their due share. I would ensure that even though they are not government employees, only specialist individuals can head those industries. The foreign dependency will reduce to the maximum extent possible. That move would also guarantee the nation's security. In the agriculture sector, special steps will be taken to select the best seeds for enhancing production. To research centers will be built and research centers will be built. The farmers will be given all the facilities. A complete change in the educational structure will be introduced. Students will undergo vocational training in addition to academic training after completing the basic education up to 10th class. 10th class, I would like to, and all the courses are going to be job oriented. Corruption of any manner will be dealt within the strictest way and severe penalties will be awarded to dishonest individuals. I know that it is not an easy job to rule a country without the active participation of the people. It cannot be achieved. To eliminate all kinds of social evils, I will do my best to educate people. In the minds of people, a deep sense of patriotism must be inculcated. Only then can I take the rekindle the nation's pride in India and make progress. Most individuals does not know how to read and write. I have plans to educate people and make them citizens who are responsible and aware. The problem of overpopulation neutralizes all attempts to raise the quality of nation security. Is the quality of life of masses. We have more than double the figure of 1951 by now. And when we bid goodbye to this century, there is no knowing what figure will replace this. What figure will replace this? To arrest this alarming development, something urgent has to be alone. While I believe in peace and non-violence, I will strengthen the security of my country. In the events of external threats, we must have to protect ourselves and prepare for that. I will work tirelessly for the country. Tirelessly for the country, knowing very well that the PM, the office, isn't a bed made of roses. Jai Hind. Thank you.